Title: Master the Basics of Financial Literacy for Beginners. Vertical bar: a step-by-step guide. Introduction. Welcome to our channel, the _finance_funnel, where we believe that everyone should have access to financial literacy. In today's video, we'll guide you through the basics of financial literacy aimed at beginners. Whether you are a college student, a young professional, or even a seasoned individual looking to enhance your financial knowledge, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end as we uncover the secrets to mastering financial literacy and empower you with valuable skills. 1. Understanding financial literacy, explaining financial concepts. Before diving into the world of personal finance, it's crucial to understand what financial literacy actually means. Financial literacy refers to the ability to understand and apply various financial skills, including budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and making informed financial decisions. By improving your financial literacy, you'll be equipped with the knowledge needed to take control of your own money and build a prosperous future. 2. Breaking down financial terms, illustrations of common financial terms and their definitions. The world of finance can be filled with jargon and confusing terms. To navigate this landscape successfully, it's essential to familiarize yourself with some common financial terms. In this section, we'll break down terms like income, expenses, assets, liabilities, credit score, and interest rates. Understanding these terms will provide a solid foundation for making informed financial decisions. 3. Effective budgeting techniques, real-life examples of budgeting techniques. Budgeting is a fundamental skill of financial literacy. It helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you are spending within your means and saving for your financial goals. We'll show you effective budgeting techniques, including categorizing expenses, setting financial goals, creating a monthly budget, and tracking your spending habits. By mastering these techniques, you will be in full control of your finances. 4. Smart saving and investing practices. Saving and investing are key components of financial literacy. We'll introduce you to different savings accounts, explain the benefits of emergency funds, and discuss the power of compound interest. Additionally, we'll delve into the world of investing, exploring various investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts.